Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving deep into the captivating story of one of the greatest bands in rock history, Queen. Join us as we take a journey through time and explore how this extraordinary group came together, revolutionizing the music scene and etching their names in the annals of fame. So grab your favorite Queen album, sit back, and let's begin exploring the rise and fall of Queen. Queen's formation, a perfect melody of talents. Freddie Mercury's early days. Voiceover. To understand the formation of Queen, we must first look into the early days of its charismatic frontman, Freddie Mercury. Born as Farrokh Bulsara on September 5, 1946, in Zanzibar, Freddie displayed an exceptional talent for music from a young age. His family's move to England in the late 1960s marked a turning point in his life, as he pursued his passion for music and joined various bands. The encounter that changed everything? Voiceover. It was in 1970 that fate brought Freddie Mercury, Brian May, John Deacon, and Roger Taylor together, forming the iconic quartet that would soon be known as Queen. With Freddie's powerful vocals, Brian's mesmerizing guitar skills, John's grooving bass lines, and Roger's dynamic drumming, the band's chemistry was undeniable from the start. The rise to fame, a rock revolution. Queen's debut album and global recognition. Voiceover. In 1973, Queen released their self-titled debut album, introducing the world to their unique sound and eccentric style. However, it was their breakthrough album, A Night at the Opera, 1975, that truly propelled Queen into the stratosphere of rock music. The album's iconic anthem, Bohemian Rhapsody, shook the industry and solidified Queen's place in rock history. Chart-topping hits and iconic live performances. Voiceover. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Queen continued to dominate the charts with unforgettable hits such as We Will Rock You, Somebody to Love, and Under Pressure. Their electrifying live performances, especially their iconic appearance at Live Aid in 1985, cemented their status as one of the greatest live bands of all time. The disbandment, end of an era. Freddie Mercury's battle and tragic loss. In the late 1980s, Queen faced various personal and professional challenges. Freddie Mercury's battle with AIDS became public knowledge, and his health began to decline rapidly. On November 24, 1991, the world mourned the loss of an extraordinary talent as Freddie passed away, leaving a void that could never be filled. The aftermath and Queen's legacy. Following Freddie's death, the band members took some time to mourn and reflect. While they did collaborate on a few projects, Queen as a unified entity ceased to exist. Brian May, Roger Taylor, and John Deacon continued to pursue individual musical endeavors, honoring Freddie's memory along the way. Queen's legacy, however, lives on through their timeless music, inspiring countless artists and touching the hearts of millions. Outro. What an incredible journey through the rise and fall of Queen. Their formation brought together a perfect melody of talents, and their rise to fame revolutionized rock music forever. Although their disbandment left a void in the hearts of fans worldwide, their music and legacy continue to transcend time. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the story of Queen. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating music history content. Stay tuned for our next video.